Today is Tuesday, June 6th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado filler extension set for my friend Aaron Nicole's Classics. And this is the triple layered composite resin filler extensions with the hard shell finish that replicates the original Magic Mirror lustered finish regardless of the paint color, whether it's number 36 Firethorn Red or number 11 Cotillion White, such as is going to be the case in this particular instance. This is the Biarritz variation of the filler extensions which I fabricate that provides for the special edging of the chrome trim that goes along the bottom horizontal edge of the rear bumper filler and then up the side to circumnavigate the license plate, all with the original Cadillac polished stainless chrome appearing trim, which in the case of the bottom fillers and edge filler is a chrome plated flexible U-shaped trim cord that is applied that facilitates that very nice edging that is specific to the Biarritz and can never be applied going up the side like the originals were, absent this special edging preparation which I provide. So again, this is the Biarritz variant with the special edge preparation on the horizontal bumper fillers. This is the 9-piece set comprising the license plate cover panel, the front headlamp lay-down covers, the rear horizontal bumper covers with the special edge trim as described, and in 75 and 76 what we have is the cutout for the brake lights, whereas in 77 and 78 the horizontal filler is solid and the brake lights are facilitated through the rear quarter panel extension, whereas in 1975 and 76 the quarter panel extension filler basically has a chrome vertical bumper edge with reflectors, which is not a brake light until 77 and 78. And of course these are the monolithic front fender extensions. So it's a 9-piece set altogether comprising left and right front fender extensions, left and right rear quarter panel extensions, left and right horizontal lay-down bumper fillers, and the front headlamp lay-down bumper fillers, as well as the rear license plate cover. So this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 through 1978 Cadillac Eldorado, over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, the radios, power door locks, these custom-made extension fillers, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Okay, today is Tuesday, June 6th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.